Hello learners! Welcome to this video tutorial. From this lecture, we will explore the beauty of mathematics through geometry. So let's begin with Lecture 1 of the topic Introduction to Geometry. In this video, we will try to understand the definitions, properties, and labeling procedures of fundamental geometrical objects. We will start by learning about the point, which is the building block of geometry and forms the basis for many useful applications. Next, we will study line segments. Then, we will learn about a ray, which serves as the basis for defining an angle. Finally, we will understand what we mean by a line in a plane. So without wasting time, let's dive into our first object, called a point. A point in a plane is defined as a dot made by a sharp pencil. Talking about its properties, a point is a dimensionless figure, that is, a zero-dimensional geometrical object. Let's understand the significance of this fact with the help of an illustration. Consider a cuboid with length L, breadth B, and height h. If we reduce the height to 0, we remove one dimension from the space. After doing this, the cuboid transforms into a rectangle with length L and breadth B. Now, reducing the breadth to 0 removes the second dimension, and the rectangle takes the form of a line. Finally, doing the same with this line, we are left with a single dot. I hope you are now clear about the dimensionless property of a point. While illustrating, we also observe that a point has neither length, nor breadth, nor height. Another important property is that a point is used to describe a location in space. Now, let's learn how to label points to give them a unique identity. We can use any capital letter of the English alphabet to label a point, such as A, B, X, or Y, etc.
Our next object after a point is a line segment. It is defined as the shortest path joining any 2 points in a plane. Consider 2 points A and B in a plane. Suppose we try to join A to B via path 1. Also, A and B can be joined via path 2. Since we are interested in the shortest path between them, path 3 will be the required path. Hence, this path is called the line segment AB. A line segment has the following properties. It has a definite length, which is the distance between points A and B. It has 2 distinct endpoints, namely A and B. It cannot be extended in any direction. We can name a line segment by identifying its endpoints, A and B. Symbolically, we denote the line segment AB by placing a bar over the letters A and B. Now, let us learn what a ray is. A ray can be obtained by extending a line segment from any one endpoint. Suppose we have a line segment AB. Now, choosing point B, we extend the segment in the right direction to any length. This transformed figure is called a ray. The ray has the following properties. It has only one endpoint, called the initial or terminal point. It cannot be measured as it has no fixed length. It can be extended only in one direction. We can label a ray by identifying its endpoint and another point on the ray. Symbolically, we represent a ray by placing a small arrow above the letters, pointing in one direction. Finally, let us understand what a line is. A line is obtained by extending a line segment from both endpoints. Consider a line segment AB. If we extend it in both directions, we get a line. Since it extends in both directions, a line has no endpoint.
It cannot be measured, as its length is infinite. By definition, it can be extended in both directions. Symbolically, a line AB is denoted by placing a double-headed arrow above the letters A and B. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this lecture. We will meet again in the next video.